Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for a link to my Amazon store where I've compiled some of the very best items available, including some of my own personal recommendations. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing, or unpackaging rather, to share with you guys. Pretty excited about this. I think I know exactly what's in here. Thank you so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on these cool stickers, there's of course a link down in the description. Your support would absolutely mean the world to me. So just by feeling this, there's a big knife in here. I'm pretty sure, and I remember having the conversation with the gentleman. Hopefully we'll find out more as soon as we're in here. Yes, there appears to be a note, which I'm going to remove carefully to make sure that I do not reveal any unnecessary information for all of you. Oh, nice big long letter here. And let's see here. I'll read this letter, but I want to show his Instagram real quick. This was the gentleman who oh wait, no, it's just his email. Okay. I'll read that and make sure. But the gentleman who sent this, what does it say here? I want to make sure this person gets credit. Hold on. Let me look at the front. First name doesn't say. Maybe he wants to remain. Oh wait, no. Logan. Logan, thank you so much for sending this guy along. I will make sure during the review, if you want, that I give you credit, and if you've got Instagram, things like that, I'll make sure that's included. So this is the first time that I have handled this ever. If it is what I think that it is. And yeah. Yes. Oh my gosh. There is no knife on the planet that I have poked more fun at. But I have always wanted to experience this knife. So this is, oh my gosh. So this is the Cold Steel Espada. This is like the more upgraded. I mean, I know that there are different versions of this knife, and there's actually an even bigger one. Is this the Espada Large? Not quite the XL, but the large. But check this out. S35VN, and we've got G10. Okay, right off the bat, I am way more impressed with it. So the first time I looked at this knife, I thought, okay, it's cold steel. And back then, this was years ago, my opinion of cold steel was nowhere near what it is today. I have a much higher opinion and respect for cold steel knives than I used to. But given what my opinion was, which, it used to be like, geez, their marketing stuff and this big, like, hyper aggressive, that's how I looked at it. And I thought, there's no way. I mean, they're going to skimp out on quality, right? It's just a big marketing campaign to get these, big hulking things into people's hands. Mix that with how the Espada looks, and I was like, that's kind of a joke. But actually, now, fast forward to today, and I've handled a lot of cold steel knives. Their quality is undeniable. Cold steel knives are made insanely well. Now, this knife is still completely and totally insane, but that's actually, ironically, the reason that I wanted to take a look at this, right? People know what this knife is, partially thanks to their marketing, partially thanks to how this knife looks, and also because I believe this is the one that appeared in the Expendables movie. Yeah, this is freaking insane. Holy cow. Look at the lock on it. God, what a monster. Totally solid. S35VN, we've got these sort of, I don't know if they're steel, sort of nickel polished bolsters or whatever, but the G10 looks great. Backspacer looks great. The fit and finish right off the bat on this guy is really, really nice. This is pretty cool. I cannot wait to talk about this. We might actually do a discussion topic on knives like this. Just insane, because a lot of times, knives like this exist in a part of the knife world that is kind of, you see a lot of this crazy overbuilt stuff in the fantasy realm and the stuff that is coming out of China that's just made to draw people in. It's not really put together well, but we have kind of an oddball here of a knife that really is made well. And I'm learning that all these little areas on the handle are designed for, holding it in a bunch of different ways, depending on what it is that you're going to use this knife for, which I'm not going to speculate on, but this is super cool. I am so excited to finally be able to talk about this knife. Logan, thank you so much for sending this guy along. guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. So expect a full review of this knife in the future. If you enjoyed this video or at least entertained by it, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do not like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.